अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। तो क्या हाल चाल है आप सबके। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त, आपका होस्ट क्रिप्टो नॉलेज। मैं आज लेके आया हूँ लॉन्चपुल का न्यू प्रोजेक्ट जिसका नाम है एक्स पिन। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इसमें क्या क्या डिटेल्स दी गई हैं हमें, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Initially listing get to list XPIN network XPIN for sport tradings with a series of event including candy drops, alpha, bounce drops, and features trading competition. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Starting 20th August 2025, 11:54 p.m. UTC 70157 views. Get will launch the Xpin Sport Tradings on August 22, 2025 to reward this platform's users. Xpin Networks Xpin will features the following events: candy drops, alpha, bounty drops, and features tradings competitions. Join us and experience it. Sport Tradings Get will launch the Xpin Sport Tradings on August 22, 2025 at 14 horse UTC Xpin deposit https slash www.get.com slash my accounts slash deposit slash Xpin. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Xpin Sport Tradings ID. Candy drops 71 Steam Candy Drops X Pins Networks X Pins Trade to Share the 140.00.00 X Pins event period August 22, 2025 14 horse 10 minutes August 31, 2025 15 horse UTC Alpha Get Alpha Points Airdrops Expense Limited Times Claims Events Times August 22, 2025 August 23, 2025 Boundary Drops Get Violet Boundary Drops is a one-stop hub that gathers the most popular airdrops project, offering users a fast track entry into intersectize takes new drops launch Xpin network Xpin trade to share 10.00.00 USDT XPN event time August 22, 2025 September 4, 2025 features trends and competitions unlock Xpin airdrop invited trades to win up to 40.00.00 USDT XPM Xpin event times September 1 2025 10 host September 7 2025 16 UTC. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Project introductions. Xpins Networks are leading DPINS project on BNB chains, digitalized AI-powered communications infrastructures for yours efficiently and borderless is converted with wireless coverage across 150 plus countries and regions. Xpins global eSIMs powered links and AI NFT introducts a new area of quantitative will unlocking pathways incomes opportunities by remaining how the world's contracts Xpin is building to the next generation digitalized arbitrarious network. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Note there may be discrepancies between the original contract in English and any translated versions. Please refer to the original English versions for the most correct information in case any discrepancies areas. Get teams August 2025 get pays to crypto trade over 3,500 cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily. Now on Get take actions now. Sign ups and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewarded invited friends and earn a 40% commissions. Stay contracted. Visit Get official website. Download it the Get app iDex. Follow us on X Twitters to get more bonus. Join our Telegrams community to discuss trading topics and engage with our globally commenting for the latest incidents, transparency, and security check. Our 100% proof of receipts. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Uh, Frequently asked question FAQ on deposit. Question number one, how to use blockchain say inform get to recent deposit to access the deposit page. Scroll down to the located the transactions ordered and its corresponding TXID transactions has slash ID. Click on the TXID to jump to the blockchain explorer and views that transactions. If the transactions has instant displayed in a recent deposit yet you can copy the has from the spending platforms and pass it into the corresponding blockchain explorer to check the transactions status. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Explain examples checking the GT deposit inform on Ethereum's blockchain. 1.1 log into your get account. Click trade in the negativations. We are then selected sport trading in the search bar. Enter the chains corresponding to the tokens you want to query. Click the full to key names below to enter the coin info center. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. On the coin intro page, click explore. 1.2 on the explorers page, copy and paste the hashed transactions ID TXID into the search bar to view the transactions details. 1.3 on the transactions details page, you can view the full block. Informs the contract field, displays the contract address. 1.4 uh, Alternatively, on the on-chain deposit page, after selecting G, the coins and chains scrolls to the bottoms of the address field to view a masked versions of the contract address. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Question number two: what to do if my deposit hasn't arrived? If you crypto deposit from another platform or wallet hasn't arrived, in your get accounts. Here are the most common reasons. 2.1 deposit delayed due to insufficient block confirmations. Get has different blockchains confirmations requirements for deposit of different coins before they are created. You can find the confirmations requirements at the bottom of the deposit page. Camera in to the current confirmations shows on the blockchains if the required contract has been made. Please wait potentially for the blockchains to confirm the transactions automatically. This process is headed by the systems manually. Interventions is not possible. Note: you can check confirmations via a blockchain explorer or to protect block highly of the hash from the latest block high as shown in the figure below. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. 2.2 missing our wrong tag memo. When deposit cryptocurrencies, currencies like XRP or EOS, you must enter a tag memo in additions to the wallet address. Failure to enter it or enter it incorrectly may result in the funds not being created properly. If you forgot to include the tag memo when making your deposit, you can submit a request using the deposit recovered features for detailed instructions. Please refer to this guide how to use the deposit note received recovered require features. 2.3 deposit made to a temporarily suspended coin. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. If the coin deposit service is suspended, an incoming transfer with will not be processed. Please wait punctually until this functions resumes. You can click set reminder on the deposit page of that coins. We will notify you once it is back online. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. 2.4 wrong coins address chain. If you deposit the wrong coins address blockchains, follow these setups to resolve the issues. Now, first is the check if the deposit address belongs the get platforms. Then visit the tokens recovers page to see if the chain you use is supported. If yes, you can apply for recovered. If tokens recover doesn't support that chain, please submit our trick for recovered. If solutions becomes available, our customs supports them team will contact you throughout the ticket. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. If the address is not a get address, you will need it to contact the replanted directly to resolve it. Note number one, A20 USDT holdings fee applies for each token recovered. Please ensure the significant balance in your sport account. For more details, setup refer to how to submit retrieval applications. Second, Not all wrongs deposit are recoverable using this features. This following the following cases. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Recoverables including but please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Including but not limited to deposit of tokens and not supported by get deposit via a unspotted chance use of blockchains not supported in the tokens requires features deposit. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Blockchain not supported in the token recovers features deposit of inspiration or NFT as a deposit to get crypto address. Three, always check the status of the tokens recover. If the recover fails, you can check the reasons in application record. The contact customer spotted to confirm whether the deposit is still recoverable. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Related articles. How to submit a token recover application. To enhance users experience, Get has launched that token recovers features if your deposit coins did not available due to incorrect information inserted during the transactions. You can now submit a recovered request via a this features you may submit a tokens recovery application using these features if you stations meet the following circulatory. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. The recovering address you for your deposit is a chain-based deposit address on the GET platform. The transaction status on the blockchain is confirmed successful. You can check the status using some the transactions has a TXID on a blockchain explores. If it show confirmed or successfully yours enabling to uses these features. You can also verify the status on the withdrawal platforms if it show completed or created your transactions qualifies if is it show unconfirmed or failed. Please contact the withdrawals platform to clear directly for assistance. Uh, Three, your deposit was made using a network or chain spotted get. The tokens recover features only spotted safely service applications you can't apply on behalf of others users. Uh, this features is only applicable to deposit made to get. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. How to submit a token recover application's web versions. Setup 1. Login into your Get account. Go to Ascent Funds Management's on-chain deposit or visit the link to start the recover process. Set up to click token recovers to access the application page. Setup 3. Select the blockchain's network where the deposit token took place, then click Next. Setup 4. Fill in the required transactions details, including deposit TXID transactions has token contract address, amount, and receiving address. After confirming the details, click Submit. You can find the required information in Blockchain Explorer. Set up to view block info common questions with deposit. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. uh, how to submit a token recover application on the app. Setup 1. Log in to your Get account, then tap deposit from the home page or go to uh, assets deposit. Deposit on chain deposit phone email get UID get code on-chain deposit send crypto to your deposit address, phone, email, get UID for get account only. Get code recommended get code for get accounts only. Buy crypto. Quick buy crypto in a few easy setup. Buy crypto, apply, pay uh, Google Pay, dip, debit and created card uh, SEPA P2P buy and sell crypto with multiple option overview sport alpha features pilotro upgrades to unfriended accounts to use multiple sport assets as marines upgrades uh, assets USDT turbo baby dog setup to select on-chain deposit. Deposit method on-chain deposit send crypto transactions to your deposit address, so phone, email, get UID for get account only, get code reminded, get code for get account only. Setup 3 tap the question mark icon in the top right corner to access the FAQ page, then tap token recover. Select coin USD, USDC, USDT, GT, USDT, Ethereum, ED, GEM, BNB, Move. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. How to deposit frequently asking question fail to deposit unspotted only coin fail file the from below self help escalations token recover deposit not received recover request. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Setup for choose the network used uh, for the deposit file in the TXID tokens contract address quantity and recovers address as a promoted. Double check the informations and uh, tap confirmed to completed your applications after submissions. Tap the netbook coin uh, in the top right converse to views your application's history and status. Please guys like, share, follow my stream. Token recover applications makes sure your transfers TXID can be found in the blockchain's browser's network. Please select TXID token contract address quantity receiving address. Important notice. The feature is only applicable for deposit to our platforms assets which travel from our platforms contract use this functions if you have deposited an unspotted tokens not yet listed but it was sent through a blockchain network supported by our platforms. You may instanting a request have here if you have a deposit via an unspotted blockchains, please state update on our platforms announcement. You may contact us for recover once the blockchains uh, offi- um officially spotted. Note: A 20 USD holdings fee will be charged for each recovered requested. Please ensure a significant balance. Make surf all submitted information is coded and verifiable on a blockchain explorer. If the mistakenly the deposit coin is not listed but belongs to a spotted chains. You may instantly a self-service recovers if the deposit was made on an unspotted chains. Please stay trade for update on the once the chains is spotted. You may contact us for assets uh, due to the complexity and variety of blockchains transactions. Not all deposit can be recovered. Please check and confirm all details before making our deposit. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Deposit and withdrawals require memo or tag app. Sometime a memo or a tag is required when making deposit withdrawals of creating currency such as MOBI, XLM, BTS, GXS, EOS, and XRP. How to tell if a memo or a tag is required? First, when making a deposit of or a withdrawal, if you do not see a box for a memo or a tag on the page, it's not required to entry memo uh, tag. Second, if you do see a box for a memo or a tag on the page, it is required when withdrawing memo tags required coins to get. Please file in the contract memo tags displayed on the corresponding deposit page so that the systems can identify and created the transferred to your accounts. It must go wrong if you wanted the funds to arrive that the replacement address with the required tag or memo left black or incorrect. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. How to make a deposit on app examples: depositing XLM from wallet IO to get. Set up one, open your wallet on wallet.io. Click the top right plus icon to add new coins to the coin list. Set up to search XLM and add it into configurations. Asset configurations XL setup 3. Go to the detail page of XLM. Click on send. Set up for file the fill in the recipient address, deposit amount, and the required memo. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Setup 5, open get mobile app and log into your accounts. Go to assets on the bottom right or of the front page and click on deposit. Overview sport making features. On sport making features, copy trading post. Uh, Unintentionally, you can also go to sport accounts, enter and search XLM. The click on deposit. Sport trading earn deposit withdrawal setup 6. Click on chain deposit and selected the deposit network. Selected deposit method. Setup 7, you will see the address and memo on the XLM deposit page. Coin network address GBC6NRAO4Z memo 339L. Both address and memo must be provided for a successful deposit. Please carefully check to avoid assets loss. The minimum deposit amount is 2 XLM. Minimum deposit amount 2 XLM deposit available 30 confirmations. Maintain address. Set up 8 copy the XLM deposit address and memo, paste them on the deposit page in wallet IO. When the deposit amount is also filled in, click on send. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Setup 9, after the deposit is completed, you can click on the top right lead guard icon to view deposit details. On chain deposit, coin network, how to make withdrawals on app withdrawal GXL as an example. When making service travels, if the recipient platforms requires containing text or memo, please file in the uh, tag or memo as required. Setup 1, open the Get mobile app and log into your accounts. Get to assets and click on withdrawal. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Our viewers support proof of receivers alternatives. You can also go to support accounts, enter and search XLM, then click on withdrawal. Withdraw. Please guys like, share, follow live stream. Setup to click on chain withdrawal and select the network. Select withdrawal method on chain withdrawal. Send crypto transactions you to your withdrawal address, phone, email, get a UID. Send asset to get.io users through phone, email, get UID, get code. Send asset to get.io users through get code. Flat withdrawals assets way to select Grid Pro. Setup 3. Please guys like, share, follow live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. On the on-chain withdrawals page, enter the correct address, withdrawals quality and the contract memo. Then click withdraw. Note: do not enables not use memo on chain withdraw. Uh, Most exchanges require memo tags in order for your XLM on to be properly created. Please double check that the memo tag you entered for your withdrawals is the correct one. Quantity maximum 5.91 XLM. Available balance maintain address. Note: one setups enter the coin network address quantity and then click the next to after confirming that the information is secured. Enter you find a password to completely the verifications and then click confirm to withdraw. uh, Second, after the successfully withdrawals, the address will be remanded by the setup system for the next time. Fee 0% plus 4.91 XL receive amount. Setup for if all the information is corrected entry the founded passwords, SMS code and Google authentication code, the click confirm. Detail available amount 5.15896 XLM. Please confirm the address and network informations. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Setup 5 after the withdrawal is computing clicks on the top right leading icon to view the withdrawals detail. Note: the memo tags must be traded in the tag memo box on the withdrawals page if you need to enter memo tags. Second, if you have um, made a deposit to an address on get withdraw without entering a memo tags, you need to submit to ticket providing your UID screenshot showing that you have successfully deposited a coin, that the uh, correct memo tags and the hash value in text from format. Our customer service agents will address this as soon as possible. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. How to file out the deposit and receive recover request. Use deposit and receive recover request when your chain deposit was not received due to the incorrect memo tag. Your deposit into the platform's coin distribution. This guidance is about how to file out a refund application. So from then on, chain deposit have not been deemed required. Please note that when filling out an application from for ton chains, file in the short hash value or not the long one. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Information filings spef- uh, specifications address withdrawals address. Please file in the original sending address of the assets, that is the from the address is the blockchain because the funds can be returned only through the original address. Now deposit address. Please file in the address used for the original deposit, which should be the get wallet address. Also, the to address or received address in the blockchains, because the funds are deposited to get place and ensures to file it out based on the transaction information. The from's address and true address must be obtained through the Ton blog website. Visit https://tonviews.com. Enter the uh, transactions hash values and views the address under enter overviews deposit amount, because block fees are dedicated. The amount received should be less than the amount sent. Please file in the actually amounts received. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Views the value flow value at the amount filed in the must not exceed the platform's expense amount shown in the block. Hash filings intersections. Choose one of the two solutions. Obtains the short hash value. Copy your logo hash value. Paste into https slash tonescan.org slash click the responding address. Get address. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and copy the short hash value. Solution B, obtain the in message hash value first on the uh, town user viewers page. However, over the record of deposit to get and the corresponding tree trigrams below will be highlighted. Second, click the branch point where address is. Get in the upper right corners of the transactions information area below. Click tonecoins.org. Third, on the deposit displayed page https slash tocoins.org slash copy the value after in message. Fourth, memo tags filing intersections. If you have filed in the uh, wrong memo tags before, please file in the memo tags filed in the applications from. If not, do not file in this filed. Requirements for legal amounts refers 100 USDT. Please provide completely screen recording materials. Start recordings from login into the withdrawal platform's accounts. Make a full recordings of the account login process. Withdrawal orders list order details page, including all key informations requirements. The pictures must be clear and identifiable. So the operations progress must be completed and under underprinted, and verification elements such as transparency must be included. From for more guidance, please to go how to use the deposit note recovers received recover request features. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Second link, XPN USDT, XPN network 0.006531, change percentage 0.000163. plus 2.56%, 24 horse high 0.007077, 24 horse low 0.006275 for 24 horse volume XPN 1.30 billion. 24 horse True Ones USDT 861.56K. GT plus 0.548%, CRO plus 55.00%, NMR plus 38.52, 50%, CAMP plus 141.87%, LPT plus 2.01%, PROVE plus 13.17%, BIO plus 18.74%, RLC plus 30.278%, PUMP plus 10.00%, RAY plus 8.24%, KAIA plus 10.37%. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Ordered book trades, price USDT, amounts XPN, total US, limited market TP, SL, sport course, iSlot, price 0.00651 USDT, amount 1 XPM, total 1 USDT, available 1.011795 USDT, mixed by 1565 XPM, TP slash SL, in break by XPM, market 0.1%, tracker 0.1%, amount 0.000650 USDT. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Go to third link, BSC scan, contract 0xD 955C9BA56 FB1AB 30E 34766E252A 97CCCE3 D31A6, spawn squatted. Earn more with keep slotting coin by now to save 30% and maximize your crypto returns. Buy pre-sales, play gaming, home blockchains, validated tokens, NFT. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Overviews: BNB, Binance, 0 BNB value $0.00 token holdings, 796.183 tokens. More information, prevent names, tags, add contract creators 0x008A288 58 C3 C5 F F7, 33 days ago token trick BEP 20 XPN token XPIN. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Latest 25 from a total of 58 56 transactions. Transaction has a method to block age from to uh, transaction hash 0x9174F775734 approve 59157 34 second ago 0x AA7C9E5D DF11D18 0xD955C9BA CCE3D31 A6 0BNB 0.000000667 0xe4f78997580 approved 59157 second ago 0x111737 DBC4AB1AC3 0xD9556 3D1 A60 BNB 0.0000871. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. 0x D235 is 270D3 transferred 5915746 2 minutes ago 0 X1BAB8 BCF1 04007D646 X0XD955C9BACC3D31AG A60 PNB 0.0000322. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. A contract address hosts a smart contract which is a set of code shorted on the blockchains that runs when pre-implemented contractions are met. Learns are more about address in our knowledge base. Twitter powered by BNB Smart Chains. BS Scan is a block explores and analyzes platforms for BNB Smart Chain. Added BSC network company delegated to BSC Scan staking brands assets contract US Trump and privacy bug bonds community API documentation knowledge base network status learn BSC product and service Advantex explores as a secure ESC's API plan providing sports block scan. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. uh, get completed tokens migration from OKExchange OKT to OKB. According to the official announcement from the OKExchange OKT project, settings OKExchange OKT tokens have been exchanged for OKB tokens at a ratio of 9.54793 OKT1. OKB Gate has completed this tokens migrations. The and users can now check their transaction history for details. Please note that get no longer supports the old exchange T tokens and will continues to support OKB market price may fluctuated after the exchanges. So please trade carefully. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Deposit OKB, trade OKB. Thank you for your support and trust in Get. If you have any questions or need features assets, please do not hashtag to contact our customer support teams. Get teams August 19 2025 gateway to crypto trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies securely, quickly and easily. Tokens actions now sign up and claim 10,000 welcome dollars, welcome reward, inviting friends and earn a 40% commission. Stay commenting. Visit official website. Download the Get app, iDesktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community to decision trading topic and earnings with our global community for the latest in earnings transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of receivers. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. First feature trade bonus phase to get 500 USD for your first trade plus up to 3000 USD in the leaderboards challenge. To ensuring users to experience uh, features trading get is launching a dual companies. The first features trade bonus and the leaderboard challenge completely your first features trade to receive an exclusive rewards and join the leaderboard challenge for a change to win a high USDT price. Join now. Event periods August 28, 2025, 8 horses September 12, 2025, 8 UTC. Event 1, event first features trade bonus, earn 50 USDT interest talent plugs a chance to win 500 USDT during the events. Users who completed their first event feature trade will receive a reward based on their first trade amount. The total prize pool is uh, 20,000 USDT distributed on a first common first survived basically will supplies is a list. Not each users can only participate once. Rewards will be distributed based on the highest they achieved. Please guys like, share, follow live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. First trade amount USDT rewards USDT 1000. First trade 10 USDT 10,000. First trade amount 20 USDT 30,000. First amount 15 50 USDT. First trade lucky draw users whose first trade amount is 30,000 USDT will also qualify from the lucky draw where 50 winners will each receivers a 50 USDT lucky bonus events second leaderboard challenge win up to 3,000 USDT each. During the event, users who trade features will enter the leaderboard to challenge where rewarded are distributed based on competitive features, tradings, volumes, rankings, rewards are distributed on a first come leaderboard uh, rewarded. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Rank rewards USDT. Rank number one, 3000 USDT. Number two to five share 5,000 equally. Number six to 20 share 7,000 equally. Number 21 to 100 share 10,000 uh, proportionally by trading volume. All others eligible users share 25,000 proportionally by trading volume. Note to participate in the leaderboard challenge, you must have a qualified for features trading volume of 10,000 USDT. Note all participants must click the join now buttons to register and completely identify verification before the event ends to the eligible to claim rewards trade volume by volume plus sale volume. Rewards will be issued as features vouchers if the distributed amount is less than 1 USDT. It will not be created. Rewards will be distributed within 14 working days after the events ends. Markets interfaces institutions and affiliate accounts are not eligible for this event. User participating is a multiple get events will only receive rewards from one event. Any fundamentally actions including say block accounts, registrations, coins, tradings, self tradings, and coordinated tradings are strictly prohibited. Sub account and many accounts as will multi accounts with the same identity information will be contracted as the same participant. The trade value of sub accounts will not be contracted towards the main account. In cases of any discrepancies between translations and English, the English versions shall prevail. Get to receive the final right of interfacing for this event. Users in the UK and other registered regions may not have access to some or all service including participating say, in this event game or competitions. For details on registered regions, please refer to the users agreement. 10 risk warnings. Cryptocurrency trading is subject to versions factors including market conditions and published to market is highly volatile and price fluctuations are unacceptable. So please be aware of market risk and trade with questions. For more contract information, please refer to the features of operations guide. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Get Team August 28, 2025 Gateway to Crypto. Trade over 3,500 cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on Get Task Actions. Now sign up and claim up to 10,000 welcome bonus reward, invited friends, and earn a 40% visit Get official website, download the Get app or desktop, follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus, join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics and engage with our global community for the last including transparency and security check our 100% proof of receipts. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. First features trade bonus, get 500 USD for your first trade plus up to 3000 USD in the leaderboard challenge. Interest start in 0 days, 0 hours, 6 minutes. Uh, encourages users to experience features. Trading at is launching dual combinations. The first features trade bonus and the leaderboard challenge. Completely your first features trade to receive an exclusive rewards and join the leaderboard collections for achieves to win a high USDT prize. Even doing first features trade bonus earn 550 USD instantly plugs are changed to win 500 USD during the event. Users who completed their first event features trade will receive rewards based on their first trade amount. Trade total price pool in 20 USD 20,000 USD distributed on a first come first served bill. Blaze will supplies the last note. Each users can only participate once. Rewards will be distributed based on the highest. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. First trade lucky draw users whose first trade first trade lucky draw users who first trade amount is 30,000 USD will also qualify for the lucky draw where 50 winners will each receive a 500 USD lucky bonus. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Expand Networks are leading deep in project on BNB chain delivery, digitalize AI-powered communications infrastructures to save effect and borderless communicative. Total price pool 140.00.00 participate 11,352 registrations open. Event ended airdrop. Event ended 28 August 2025 airdrop. 17 2025 completely task to share 140.00.00 XPN prize pool. First sport trade pool 20,000 XPN. Total tokens 60.00.00 XPN. Individually share limited 20,000 XPN. Uh, Completely task and share price pool fixed rewards login and participate 22 August 2025 28 August 2025 make and your first sport trade and achieves a XPM sport trading value of at least 3000 USD sport first trade exclusive make your first sport trade after joining GET and achieves a XPN sport trading value 3000 USD claiming 20,000 XPN rewards will are distributed on 7/9 2025. The actual arrival time shall prevail activity rules. Users who have not trade sport after joining GET and make their first XPM sport trade with a volume 3000 USD will receive a fixed reward of 20,000 XPMs on a first come first served basis with a total prize pool of 60.00.00 XPN. Sport trading so to share 80.00.00 XPN total tokens 80.000.xp IN individually share limited 80.00 XPN complete task and share price pool login and participate completed task uh, Tier 1 experience sport trading missions 5000 USD Tier 2 XP IN sport trading missions 7000 USD Tier 3 experience sport trading missions 10,000 USD claiming up to 80.00 XP and rewards will be distributed on 17 9 2025. This actually audible time activity rules during the events, users with Colmetal Sporting trading volume, some of opens closing options 5,000 USD XPN can receive candies up to maximum of 9 candies and share in the 18.00.00 XPN's prize pool. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream FAQs. What are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? Users participating in Candy Drop are required to completely identify verification and click the join button to the event page only after successfully joining will their activity data be contract markets enterprises and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. When will candies be distributed after completing task? Candy will be distributed within 1 to 3 hours after users completely task. Please log in and check and candies obtained from Candy Drop after 3 hours. What are the first sport and first features training task? Users who have never conducted by any sport or features training after joining GET can claiming these tasks by making their first sport features trade and now of the specified tokens and exchanges in the cumulative trading value requirements during the events periods. Users can complete the task and receive events reward. Please guys like share follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. ओके जी अल्लाह हाफिज फिर मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह ताला नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ दुआ में याद रखिएगा मेरी लाइव को लाइक शेयर फॉलो लाजमी कीजिएगा